In this video, I'll show you how to highlight objects in Premiere Pro. First, we add the video to the timeline. Then we select the Object Mask tool. We select the video layer. Under the preview, set the mode to sharp, and then place the cursor above the target or the object you want to highlight. A red overlay will appear above it, indicating our selection. Now, to confirm the selection, we do a left click. Then the object will get outlined. Now, in Effect Controls, we click on this button that says Track Selected Mask forward and backward. We wait for it to complete, and after the tracking is done, we open Effects window, search for Lumetri Color, and we add it to the video layer. As soon as we do that, the mask will automatically get attached to the newly added effect. Now under Lumetri Color, we go into Color Wheels and Match. We scroll down and here we will see 3 different color wheels. Now let's move the video to where we can see the bowl. Now to remove the red overlay on top of the bowl, just click on Lumetri Color, make sure the mask is no longer selected. Now back in color wheels, we can just click on any color on the color wheel. Let's say a green, I'm just going to left click and the bowl will change the color. You have to do this for all of the color wheels. So like that. And now you can see the bowl is nice and green. Now to soften the selection, go back to the Object Mask settings and increase the feather slightly. And you can also expand the expansion and that will add sort of like a glow around the target. And now if we play this back, the bowl will be highlighted.